This recording has been made by YouTuber CreepyOutdoors. They claim to have recorded a strange voice in forest. YouTuber has been walking down the forest at nighttime. It seems to be far away from residential zones. What he heard is going to confuse you, as many people who watched him.
Oh, hi. What the hell? I need to get out of here. Oh, boy. Oh. Okay. That was f***ing creepy. I need to get out of here. Whew.
Let's hear this voice again.
Oh, hi. What the hell?
Did that voice just say, "I see you"? When they responded to that unknown voice, Forest was silent again for the rest of their walk.
Okay, I need to get back to camp. It could have been campers, but this area is extremely secluded. Well, if that is not the definition of creepy, then I don't know what it means.
The YouTuber Big Dill was filming the strange positions of the fences, which are located in the woods, and made a stunning encounter. What they believe they have heard is a rake creature themselves, or maybe that was a skinwalker. Listen to that voice yourself and decide.
I'm at the ridge line right now, but where the fence is at, and so behind this fence over there, there's a wood line. It's about 9:48 in the night. So we just heard it scream a little bit ago. I don't know if you can see past this, but so behind this where I'm pointing right now, there's a forest back there, and that's a pretty big forest. It's a state park. So there's nothing that's back there, and it's protected, so I don't know. But we're back here, and there's this fence right here that protects my friend's yard, where we're at right now. And from that, I don't know what you would call this, but there's a pasture right here with a bunch of trees. You can't really see. I don't know if you can see that tree. You see that tree right there, that fern, right there? That's a fern, and then there's a bunch of other ferns all around. And it gets more dense as you go back. But what happens is this creature comes up against this fence, and it jumps this fence. And it was standing, we think, right in this where I'm standing right now. And my friend's inside right now, but I'm getting this footage. And did you hear that? That was fucking it. Oh. This, I'm out. This.
Who knows why those fences were installed in the middle of the woods? Maybe they are to protect us from someone hiding in the shadows. While hunting wood burls at Dillon State Park, YouTube creator Collins2002 heard some sort of unidentified animal voices deep in the woods. Listen to the footage carefully and tell what you think.
I'm looking for tree burrows that I can reach. The thing bad about tree burrows, if they're still in the tree, usually they're ones that are worth cut. I hope I got that on audio, because I don't know what the hell that is.
Are those sounds belonging to some sort of animal, or there is a more mysterious explanation? There is also a second time such a voice has been encountered. Listen to it.
And there it is again. And I haven't the foggiest clue what the hell be making that noise out here. We don't have wild pigs. We sure shit ain't got no howler monkeys floating around these woods.
What do you think? Who's making such noise? Another YouTube creator named Phoenix had an idea for an ASMR channel that records forest trails and other nature sounds. On their first trip, they got something they were not expecting to get on camera. They decided to go into a walled-off part of the woods that was knocked down. There, they heard a noise not native to anything they have heard in Michigan. They have claimed they have never heard such sounds before. After hearing it, the content creator decided to run out of that part of the woods. The next video features content creators making a sort of travel vlog where they drive across the country looking for cryptid creatures. After setting up a trail camera, they did not believe to ever record such a scream. Listen. Who knows who would make such a scream, but after this scream, other strange sounds were recorded. Even the content creator themselves believed they saw someone throw rocks at the camera. It is really hard to tell what has been recorded. This video is also recorded by YouTuber Creepy Outdoors, but this time we hear not screams or voices, but loud banging sounds. Content creator is camping with their dog, and they were not only scared, but they also believe the dog saw something.
Creepy Outdoors here. By myself camping, as usual. And I'm a little shook up right now because I heard some strange sounds. Stay here, Mika. Stay here. It sounded like some sort of growling. I'm not sure. I wasn't recording. I was just enjoying my night, and I'm just talking to my dog right now. What the? Mika, stay here. Stay. Come, stay. Stay here, good boy. Good boy, stay, sit down. Hello?
Loud bangings continued for a while and then stopped. Owner's dog has acted strangely after hearing those banging sounds, or maybe the dog saw something paranormal.
There's been a lot of dead trees around. Maybe it's Mika. Oh no. Come on. Mika! Oh no. Mika, come back. This dog is... Come here. What are you doing? Stay here. What's out there, boy? You all right? Mika, hey, stay. Mika, come back. What are you doing? This is not like him. What are you doing? Are you all right? What's going on, bud? Is your paw hurting? Come on back. Come back to the fire. Come. Come on.
Not sure what those sounds were, but for sure they made this dog act very strange.